Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Crystal and I am back with another video, and today your girl is bringing you guys an e.l.f. haul. So e.l.f. has had some really great products recently, come one after the next, and this is nothing new because e.l.f. is always killing it. Okay, they take a product that's already made and they make it better at a cheaper price, and let me tell you, as an e.l.f. girl, they never miss. Okay, all of their products always hit. They always, like, when it comes to dupe, they know how to make a dupe, and sometimes the dupes are even better. So there's a few products that they've come out so far with, and your girl had to go and get them, and I have them all here. So I just want to show you guys what they are and just let you guys know what your girl thinks of them. These products are screaming summer. Even now for spring, I know you guys want to know whether they are worth it or not. So we're just going to jump right in. We're going to start off with the one I've been seeing literally everywhere, which is the e.l.f. Bronzing Drops. So this product right here just came out not too long ago, and this comes in 3 different shades, and I picked the shade Pure Gold. This is supposed to give you a nice bronze glowy type of look, and you're just supposed to mix it in certain products. So on here it mentions moisturizer, it mentions your body cream, and it mentions a face oil. I'm pretty sure you can mix it in whatever the hell you want. So right now I have it on. Now when I bought this with e.l.f., it came with their face cream. So I think they're sending it, once you buy this, they're sending it with the face cream just as a trial. Don't quote me on that. I think that's what happened, because I did not order this. So maybe just a way for you to try it out. And this is what I have on right now. These 2 products are on my face right now, and your girl has a nice glow going on. And listen, all I'm missing with this is to be on a beach somewhere sipping a pina colada, okay, with my feet in the sand, because this gives vacation vibes for real. Okay, and I know this is gonna look fire on the body, not just on your face. I can imagine this on your legs and on your arms and on your collarbone. And listen, summertime vibes, like I said. So I think everybody needs this in their makeup collection. If you're a makeup girly, I think you need this in your collection. It's a good amount of product. It literally just says to use a few drops. That's all you need, and to shake it well, before you use it, and that's it. So it's supposed to bronze and nourish. It has antioxidants and sunflower seed oil. Love. Major Crystal approved. I've been seeing this as well, the Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray. So this is the other product of e.l.f. that has come out recently. Now, I haven't used this as yet because your girl really has not been using makeup. Like, I've literally been sort of on like a makeup break. You guys know I go in and out of my breaks. So this is supposed to give you sort of like a dewy finish. It's infused with aloe plus hyaluronic acid, squalane, and green tea seed oil. So you're supposed to shake it to activate and then mist over your face. You could also apply it as a pre-makeup spray to prep your skin or to set your makeup. So you can use it as a pre-mist before you put your makeup on, or as a setting spray after. I have not used this as yet, so I think I'm definitely gonna have to try it sometime in the coming days, just so I can get an idea. I'm not a big fan of dewy, but I do feel like this will work really well in the summer, because I wear the least amount of makeup in the summer. But you still want, like, whether it's like a BB cream or whatever it is you put on, you still want to set it. So I think this will work really good to give kind of like a summertime look. If you are a dewy girl, you are gonna love this. I prefer matte, but I think there's always an occasion for dewy makeup. So I got 2 of these, so hopefully I like this because I got 2 of them. And then I'm not gonna lie to you, I was like super excited for these because I am a gloss girl. okay? And the lip oils, I have been dying to get these. So they have the lip oils. These come in various shades, but your girl only got 2, which is pink quartz, which is this one, and then I also got crystal clear. And I've been using this one, the crystal clear one, for a couple days now. It actually kind of looks like it's going down already, if you can see. This is the one I have on now. This applicator, I think, is my favorite thing about it. This is a super big applicator. Like, look how big this applicator is. It literally feels like a sponge on your lips. And it gives the perfect amount of product, the perfect shine, the perfect, like, glossy type of look, but without the sticky feel. Once you give me gloss without a sticky feel, I am sold already, because I just love me a good gloss. I feel like you could have no makeup on, but if you have lashes and gloss or one or the other, your face still, like, just stands out so much. So the Power Grip Dewy setting spray, they were $10 each. The bronzing drops were $12. The lip oils were $8 each. So this is everything your girl got in an e.l.f. haul. You guys know I love me a good e.l.f. haul, and I love e.l.f. They know what they're doing. They make, like, their dupes are some of the best dupes. Like, give them a product and they're gonna make you another product exactly the same for less money. And I know if you're anything like me, I am always on a budget. I am always looking for that great product that's gonna do what it says it's gonna do, but at the most reasonable price. And really, you do not need to buy all this fancy makeup, okay, to get certain looks. There are dupes that can do the exact same thing. So e.l.f., definitely check them out. If you saw any of these products and you were wondering whether they're good or not, this is the only one that I haven't tried, guys, but I will try it and do like a quick short or something just to show you guys, you know, whether I like it or not. But definitely follow your girl on TikTok. I've been doing a lot of content on TikTok and Instagram too. So if you want to see like my thoughts on particular products, like, I usually just go on one of those platforms and just kind of give my opinion. I actually will do a video on each of these, because obviously today's video is just to show you guys what products I got, but I will be individually giving my thoughts on each product as I use them. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you follow me on TikTok and make sure you follow me on Instagram. It will be in your girl's description bar below. But if you were waiting to find out what your girl had to say about any of these products, I hope today's video kind of gave you some clarity. But these products are all crystal approved. I haven't even tried the setting spray yet, and I already know I'm gonna like it because I have that much confidence in e.l.f. Like, they've never let me down. So yeah, stay tuned for your girl's next video. Don't forget to give today's video a thumbs up and to hit the subscribe button if you're new here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this haul. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys want to see from your girl next, if you have any suggestions. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I'll see you guys on my next video.